everyone, so I'm at Celebrity Face Studio once again, and we have successfully completed the 46th edition of the fashion photo shoot here in Delhi. And as always, my experience was wonderful. Today, the one fact that touched me a lot was that there was one fan who came all the way from Srinagar with his mom and sister, and they supported him in his desire to meet me and get pictures clicked with me. So it's lovely to see the family supporting and to see the enthusiasm of the people who are, even my age, who come all over just to meet me and to spend 10-15 minutes to get pictures and to interact. So I feel Celebrity Face is a great interface, and all of you should definitely follow them and make use of the opportunity that they give you, because not everybody comes up with such innovative ideas. Also, now talking about one very exciting surprise that Celebrity Face has for all of the fans in Bangalore. Yes, Celebrity Face is now starting in Bangalore, and I'm coming on 19th and 20th of November 2016, that is next month, for the photo shoot in Bangalore. So all the fans, all the people who want to meet me, who want to get pictures clicked, and who have been waiting and waiting for Celebrity Face to open, it's a great chance for you. Celebrity Face is coming to your city, so make the best of it.
And how people can participate? Can you just tell?
Oh yes, for Celebrity Face, the process to participate in the fashion photo shoot is really simple. All you have to do is find them on Facebook and Instagram. Their handles are also very easy to spell. It's just Celebrity Face, CELEBRITY FACE. You can direct message or inbox them your pictures. They will definitely have some WhatsApp numbers mentioned on their pages. You can even send pictures on those numbers and you will get a call, and it is not fake at all, guys, because if it would have been fake, I wouldn't be here sitting in the studio making this video, urging all of you to come be a part of the Celebrity Face family. Also, a lot of people have raised this question that, okay, it's not free, they are charging something. Guys, you need to understand, they are going to be organizing the whole setup, lights, camera, everything. Plus, they're also giving you your individual portfolio shoot in that much amount. So it's not fake, the amount is justified, and you must definitely come and be a part of this amazing initiative.
Okay, people are commenting, you looking gorgeous, looking beautiful. Okay, let's talk about now about modeling. So, like, how you have started your career, like, how did you get an opportunity in India's Next Top Model Season 1?
India's Next Top Model happened quite late. My first pageant was Be the Diva, that I don't think many people know about. This was in March 2013, and I got to be on the cover page of the Femina magazine. After that, I got a little confidence, and I participated in Campus Princess. Through Campus Princess, I could be a part of Miss Diva Universe 2014. Through Miss Diva Universe 2014, people recommended me. They told me about auditions for India's Next Top Model. And that time, because it was season 1, the auditions had 2 rounds, and it was a very rigorous audition. So I got selected as I cleared the first round and the second round. And then, of course, since I had done a show with MTV, naturally I wanted to be a part of Splitsvilla. And I got several opinions, and I was told that if I am a part of Splitsvilla, it's going to be really beneficial for me, and I must definitely, try out how a reality show feels like. So I think that's how my journey has been, and it's taken me time. It's taken me almost 3 years to get to where I am, and I still have so much more to achieve, that this is just a stepping stone. So my one advice to every individual girl or boy, or even the people who want to get into production or direction or photography, guys, it takes time, it takes patience. You have to be in the circuit, you have to make contacts, and you have to be very hardworking, because there's intense competition in this field. And other than that, yes, once you make a mark and once you start, you will love your work, but do not equate your efforts in terms of monetary gains, because a lot of times maybe the effort that you put in are next level, but the monetary benefit that you get out of it is not equal. So do not be disappointed in the beginning. हो सकता है आपको अपनी talent prove करने के लिए कहीं पे free में काम करना पड़े, free में shoots करना पड़े. इसका ये मतलब नहीं कि आपकी artistic value कम हो गई. It's just that you are learning the routine. You are learning, how to do, how it is done, what is done. So don't be disappointed at all, and follow your dreams. If your family does not encourage you, explain them that like they have a vision for you, you have a vision for yourself, and they should let you give it a try, if not fully support you.
Thank you so much, Shri. Shri, like now Splitsvilla is over, so what do you need to say about the winner, Gurmeet and Kavya?
I think Gurmeet and Kavya were just one, like along with Martina and Varun, Gurmeet and Kavya were like the strongest couple, and their performance has been really consistent. And Gurmeet as a person, and even Kavya as a person, they are amazing. They are amazing human beings, and I wish them all the best. I wish that this win takes them even ahead in life. And somebody recently direct messaged me on Instagram. They were so happy. They're like, Kavya and Gurmeet won. I was like, yeah, I know. So congratulate them, right? Don't text me. So it's lovely to see so much love and support that people are not able to contain it. So before people start, taking the route to negativity, that oh my God, Shree's faking it, Shree's jealous. I'm absolutely not jealous. Of course, I would have wanted to win Splitsvilla, but at the same time, they are my friends, and I wish them all the very, very best, because they both are an amazing human being and they make an amazing couple.
Thank you so much. Guys, if you want to ask any question to Shri, you can post it below and we will immediately ask. Okay, Arham is saying you were the best in the villa.
Thank you so much. Like for me, somebody also texted me a few days back that Shri, you didn't win the show, but you won many hearts and we love you. So I think sometimes a trophy or a prize or the cash amount is not important. What is important is that in spite of maybe not winning and reaching the finale and sitting on that throne even once throughout the show, I have sat on people's heart, and they would remember me. So it's a great feeling that all the efforts that I put in have paid off, and people will remember me, and I've left a mark. That's very important.
Thank you so much. Again, people are commenting, looking super beautiful, nice dress.
Thank you. Oh, Celebrity Face got this dress for me. So they have a very good fashion taste as well.
Again, Shikku is saying, I'm so sad that you cannot win Splitsvilla.
I'm really sorry if I disappointed my fans and all the well-wishers, but it was a game. And one thing I would like to say, I was very, very glad that in the show, कभी ऐसा नहीं हुआ कि मेरी performance खराब थी कि मैं out हो गई. I could not perform ahead because I didn't have a partner, but I did not get dumped like they say. So I hold myself in high esteem that I managed to survive throughout the time that I was there. I performed well in the task. Even if I lost in the task, that's okay, but I didn't get dumped any time. I couldn't perform ahead because I didn't have a partner. So all my well-wishers and fans and friends, you should be happy that Shri literally couldn't complete her journey, but the point where her journey ended, she left it gracefully and she wasn't like sent out by the queen or anyone.
Still people are commenting like, yeah, are you and Karan still together or sab fake tha Splitsvilla ke liye? So tell all your friends, like, are you still together or not?
Guys, again, आप show enjoy करो. Show के बाद क्या audience के लिए होता है, show is private. But what happens after the show is personal. Also, one thing I would like to point out that my Instagram is full of only my pictures and what I'm doing and my selfies. And I get lots of comments which have though decreased currently that, Shri, you and Karan Chhabra were fake, you don't have pictures. I'm sure there are a lot of people out there who have boyfriends or girlfriends or are dating. You don't need to post a picture to prove to the world that, oh my God, we are in love, we are together. So I think that mentality needs to change. It's my account and I would like to put pictures of myself. And there are certain things about which I don't want to talk about in life. So I think you guys should respect the privacy instead of, seeing it in a negative light and posting wrong comments. Also another thing, of course I receive a lot of love and support, but at the same time everything has two sides to it. So I also receive body shaming comments that okay, moti achhi lag rahi hai types. So it might sound funny that I'm saying it right now, and it's not about me. I ignore all negativity. I have received vulgar texts as well. I'm saying it in front of all of you. But if I react to it, it's not going to take me anywhere. I'll get pissed off. I cannot change the mentality of the people who are sitting over there. I cannot change the fact that they do not know how to respect a girl or her body or her guys, if you do not have the mentality, do not put other girls down, because in putting them down, you are literally losing your self-respect. I wouldn't know who you are if you're commenting anything negative, but the first thing I do is swipe right and I delete the comment. Not because I only want to have praises on my pictures, but because I absolutely and outrightly refuse to surround myself with any kind of negativity. I'm a very positive person. So all the haters out there, comment as much as you want. I'm going to delete each of those comments, because that's how I want my Instagram page to be. I want it to be full of love and support. I'm not using the word praise here. I want it to be full of love and support and no negativity.
Thank you so much, Sri. You can tell all your fans, those who are watching you live, to click like button, heart button, emotions.
Of
They
course,
can click.
guys, if you're watching me and you are complimenting me, please do like and comment, and make a heart, and you can use several emojis to express what you're feeling. Now Facebook apparently gives you that option, because we live in such an expressive world. Please do that, because I'm only able to connect with all of you because of celebrity face. They are recording my live feed. Otherwise, it would have been a selfie video.
Say hi to Neha.
Hi Neha, how are you?
Say hi to Kian also.
Hi Kian.
Okay, Arham is asking, why did Gurmeet reject to perform with you?
That's a very, very stupid question, because Kavya was the queen and he would definitely want to perform with her, and he didn't want to waste his energy or put himself at that, expose himself to the risk of getting injured, because he had to perform in the finale. So that's a self-explanatory question.
Okay. Okay, Himani is asking, will you be coming on TV or any film or any shows?
आप लोग एक बार टीवी पे हमको देखते हो, you guys feel it's really easy, guys. It's a dog eat dog world out there. It's really hard. So I will try and maintain my appearance on TV and do some projects, but it's really, really hard. Also, I'm now in final year of college. I'm doing economic majors, so I have to study also. So a lot of projects I have to reject because they clash with my exams and everything. So yeah, but I am putting all my efforts to ensure that I maintain my presence for all my fans on TV and other ways.
Ketu is saying, Sri, can I see you in India's Next Top Model Season 3?
I think that'd be really stupid, because once I have been on season 1 and people remember me as the Shri from season 1, I feel going again and again for the same show seems desperate. It's just my personal opinion. I feel it's desperate, and I have picked up a lot from that journey. Of course, every time I go for a show, I will learn a lot. But I feel that it will seem too desperate on my part. I don't think I will go for it. But you put a thought in my mind, I might consider it. But 99% I wouldn't go for it.
Guys, hit the like button, heart button. You can click and show your reactions for this video. Okay, somebody is asking. Okay, Umesh
Guys,
is
quickly ask questions. I quickly have water. Ask questions. I'm waiting. It's
Okay.
filling my energy.
Umesh is asking, what do you have to say about Varun and Martina breakup? Do you think it was fake for the show?
Guys, again, okay, I do not obsessively stalk any of the contestants, so I have no clue what's going on in their life. And if you posted that, okay, maybe they broke up, maybe they did, I don't know. So it's okay, it's their personal life, and I'm nobody to comment whether it was true or fake, because I am not the kind of person who tries to pry in anybody's life or interfere or get full details. Oh my god, are you guys going to be together after the show, this, that. I'm in my own world, so if they broke up, they must have had some issues, and you should respect their privacy instead of probably wanting to know the reason. It's okay. Sometimes people don't get along, it's absolutely okay.
Okay, Janatan, she's asking, you will develop your relationship with Chhabra or Karan Khanna?
I think I'm very happy being in my own world, and at this point of time, I have a lot to achieve in life than to think about boys. But yeah, I made some great friends on this show, I'm not denying that. But again, it's my personal life, I don't like to talk about it. And my focus right now is a lot on myself, because I have college to handle and I want to grow ahead in this career. So I think I have a lot on my plate to think about. about the Karans right now.
Harmeen, she's asking, who was your favorite couple other than you and Karan?
I really found Gurmeet and Kavya cute because I saw their relationship build because Martina and Varun का connection मेरे show पे आने से पहले से था. So I didn't see them from the beginning, but you know how Kavya and Gurmeet's connection developed in front of me. So I've seen it and I find it damn cute.
Okay. Jaya, she's asking, Shri, how have you lost so much weight? You're looking very pretty now.
Thank you. I walk a lot. I walk around 6 to 7 kilometers every day. Like 4 kilometers was minimum, and it goes above that because I'm constantly, traveling, going to college, coming back. So dieting that's not possible for me also because I don't live with my parents, so I have to handle my food on my own. So, but I walk a lot.
Imani, she's asking, you're from which state?
I'm from Allahabad. That's the name of the city. My state is Uttar Pradesh. That is UP.
Okay. Okay, a lot of people are saying, say hi to everyone.
Hi to everyone. I cannot take your names individually, but a very, very warm hi, and I hope you're having a great Sunday.
Again, people are commenting, nice dress. Okay. Wow.
So if you want to get details of the dress, please text Celebrity Face. They will tell you from where they got this dress. Accessories are mine, and makeup and hairstyle was done by an amazing guy called Prince. So yeah.
Okay, Preeti Singh is asking, do you really come in Splitsvilla to find your someone?
Splitsvilla, honestly, I feel everybody came there to win and to make an identity for themselves. The format of the show is such that you cannot win without a partner. So even if you don't want to have to perform with a partner, but obviously at the end of the day, everybody's selfish. They want fame for themselves, and nobody's going to be there. Okay, if you want to focus more on my partner, go ahead. It's not like that. Everybody's competitive. Everybody is competing for themselves. So I honestly don't think anybody came there to find love because Splitsvilla is a game where you have to go ahead with a partner. So you are forced to look for someone, honestly.
I would request all the viewers, guys, like करने के पैसे नहीं लगेंगे. Please hit like, hit heart, click करो, show your emotions, comments करो, कुछ भी पूछना है पूछो. आपको पूछना है स्प्लिट्सविला में कैसे जाना है वो पूछ सकते हो. इंडियाज नेक्स्ट टॉप मॉडल में कैसे जाना है आप, यू कैन आस्क एनीथिंग. आप इमीडिएटली पोस्ट करो कमेंट्स. पैसे नहीं लगेंगे गाइस, ठीक है.
So guys, one very, very good tip that I can give you is that keep yourself updated with the MTV page, with the page, with any channel's page. If you want to go for a particular show that they have on the channel, because the channels post regular updates also. When you meet someone related to your field of interest, I'm not talking only about modeling or Splitsvilla or India's Next Top Model. When you meet anybody, if you're interested in probably, let's say, being a chef, and you go and attend some food event, talk to people, find out how they grew, how they got inspiration from where. It's really, really helpful. And Instagram is full of a lot of inspirational content. Find it, talk to people, communicate, and it will really, really help you. I'm not saying that use the contacts and get ahead. I'm saying that, equip yourself with the knowledge of the field that you're interested in. Even if it's academics, just talk to people, know how it functions, know that probably, you have a particular scenario in your mind. Is it really like that practically? Does it work like that, or is it a way to make it work?
Okay, will you try in Roadies, next season of Roadies?
Roadies,
X5.
I haven't thought about it absolutely, but yeah, I can consider that. I have to do a lot of homework for that, I'm sure, but I can consider that for sure.
So guys, now we will talk about Splitsvilla 9. I will ask Shri who is her favorite, who she hates the most. So let's talk about Mia Lakra.
Yeah. So I'm not fond of Mia at all, and I'm not afraid to say that because she made a really nasty comment. उन्होंने शो के लिए बोला जो भी बोला, but I feel as a girl she shouldn't have said what she said. She crossed the major boundary, and yeah, I wouldn't say I hate her, but I would definitely say that because of what she did, the image that I had of her in my mind completely got tarnished. And girls one more thing, because I know girls personally are very bitchy and competitive and jealous compared to probably maybe the boys. I might be wrong about this, but being a girl, I know those vibes. Do not ever insult someone on a personal level where it hits them hard, and do not judge anybody before you know the whole scenario, because you are nobody to judge anybody. Everybody has life, everybody has their choices. They can make decisions on their own, and if you don't like what they have done, you can zip it and just mind your own business, but do not ever comment or try and put anybody down in your life, because it's going to come back to you.
Wow, thank you so much. Okay, we'll talk about your views on Martina.
I feel Martina is a very fiercely competitive girl. Sorry. And she is the one who will never give up. Because I think जब वरुण 2-3 बार डंप हो गया, अगर उन्होंने गिव अप कर दिया होता तो शायद वो फिनाले तक नहीं पहुंची, but she kept on, she held on to the hope that no, I have to go to the finale. So she's very determined and very competitive, which is a good thing if done in the right quantity.
Okay. Is there any chance to see you in future in Bollywood or TV serial?
I wish I could predict my future. I will try, but I cannot say anything about it. It's a very, very difficult thing to commit or comment on at the moment, honestly.
Okay guys, so we'll ask a few personal questions. Your favorite color?
Pink, white, black.
Okay. Your favorite food?
Rajma chawal.
Okay. Your favorite actor?
Oh my god, I'm mad for Siddharth Malhotra. There's nobody as cute as him.
Actress?
Deepika, any day.
Who you hate the most in a Splitsvilla? Boys mein?
I don't hate anybody. I like
Still?
I said sometime back, I don't have any negativity. I don't surround myself in negativity. If I'm not particularly fond of a person, I distance myself from them instead of abusing them or fighting with them because we don't get along or our wavelengths don't match. So yeah.
आप अभी किससे connected हो स्प्लिट्सविला में? आपके कोई friend है अभी real में कि नहीं है? Anyone?
Friends तो show के बाद सभी होते हैं, but बात सब नहीं करते, सब अपनी लाइफ में बिजी हो जाते हैं. Also स्प्लिट्सविला के पहले हम सबकी एक लाइफ थी, स्प्लिट्सविला के बाद वो लाइफ चेंज हो जाती है, but ऐसा it's not like Splitsvilla is not a new beginning for you. You've left your life at a certain level and you come back to it. So when you're in the process of adjusting back to the life that you left before the show, I don't think there's a lot of space to adjust so many new people. It's my opinion, that's how I am. I'm a very private person, and I have very limited people in my life, a very limited friend circle. So yeah, I am friends with everybody. I am friendly like that. But I'm not essentially a person who, initiates conversations or keeps too much in touch or would make plans. Okay, let's meet this, that. I'm not like that. I like my space. So yeah, we are friends, but I do not specifically talk to anybody as such.
Thank you so much. Okay guys, last 5 minutes. So जिसको कुछ भी पूछना है आप immediately post करो. I will ask one by one. और do not forget to hit like button, heart button. जल्दी लाइक्स पे क्लिक करो, हार्ट पे क्लिक करो एंड अपनी क्वेश्चंस पोस्ट करो. अब मैं एक एक करके पूछूंगा, ठीक है?
Guys, I'm talking so much in respect to that. Please hit the like button. I will answer your questions, and if you're not satisfied with it, well, I'm not here to satisfy each and every one.
Okay, Akash is asking, when are you coming to Kolkata?
Akash, I came back from Kolkata like a week back. I had an event on 1st. So again, this is where, this is a very small example. See, if you were following me, if you follow me on Snapchat, Facebook, you would know where my events are happening and when, because I post about them. I like my fans to know if in case I'm in their city. So unless you follow me, I cannot give you my schedule that okay, this day I'm going here, this day I'm going there. So follow me on my social media.
Favorite memory from Splitsvilla? One word में कौन सी memory सबसे best थी?
जब मैं काव्या के साथ टैंक वाला टास्क किया था मैंने, जब काव्या क्वीन बन गई थी, I lost, but the first round I defeated Martina. That is my favorite memory.
Who is better, Sunny or Ranvijay?
They are not even of the same gender, guys. I cannot compare. Ranvijay has his own personality and Sunny has her own
where do you live in Allahabad?
I don't think I would like to disclose my address.
Your Snapchat ID?
My Snapchat ID is Shri Radhe 9295. That's SHREERADHE 9295. You can add me, see my stories, but apparently I'm not able to add people back because I've reached my friend limit. So don't mind that, but you can definitely add me on Snapchat.
When will you come to Pune?
I will post about it whenever I'm coming on Facebook, so follow me on Facebook for that.
What's your nickname?
My mom calls me Sona and my dad calls me .com. The reason for that is my dad started a website www.sriradhe.com. It apparently didn't work out that time. So since that time my nickname is .com.
Okay. What do you need to say about Pakistan?
Pakistan.
The current controversy, you can say.
I know. Today I was reading an article and well, I feel terrorism, war, violence is wrong, whichever country initiates it. And Pakistan is also a country, whatever they are doing in retaliation or for their benefit. Even India is retaliating. But I am against violence. I have read articles about how the life of the people who live along the villages, along the border is destroyed. So whether it's India attacking Pakistan or Pakistan attacking India, or whether it be any country, death, loss of life, uprootment of people, it's really sad. So I do not promote this kind of retaliation and war or violence at all.
पाकिस्तानी आर्टिस्ट को बैन करना चाहिए कि नहीं कहना चाहिए बॉलीवुड से या टीवी इंडस्ट्री से?
I think ban करने का कोई सेंस नहीं है because that is a cultural exchange. If you are having political tensions or tensions related to your territory, that is a separate aspect. And to ban artists as such, that's not going to control violence. अगर तुम्हें लगता है कि तुम सिंगर को तुमने मना किया, तो ऐसा तो नहीं कि उनके पहले दूसरे सिंगर्स नहीं थे. There were other singers. It's nothing like that. So the issue, what happens I feel in India is because Bollywood is so glorified, the issue is not touched upon. अब उनको बैन कर दिया, लोग उसके बारे में बात करेंगे. They wouldn't talk कि क्यों बैन किया है, क्या बैकग्राउंड है पाकिस्तान इंडिया के रिलेशनशिप का. Again guys, read, know why what is happening, and also जब आपको एक मैटर के बारे में पता है, and maybe you are on one side, read arguments that are of the counter party, so you will, I think you will broaden your mindset and you will have views for and against the topic. So again, read.
Say hi to Neha Manchanda.
Hi Neha.
Say hi to Anurag Gupta.
Hi Anurag.
Okay. Will you try in Big Boss 10?
I want to go in Big Boss. Yes, I will try.
Okay. Yeah, she's saying you are looking pretty in pink color.
Thank you. It's my favorite color.
Do you watch cartoons?
Cartoons. I used to watch Shinchan and Doraemon. I don't mind Tom and Jerry even now.
Firdaus is saying, I like you so much. See you again. So happy to see you live.
Thank you so much, Firdaus. I wish I could see you too.
Akshay Tyagi is saying, I love you.
Okay, I can't say I love you too.
Any future plans in movie or serial?
Again, I wish I could predict my future. I'm trying. I'll do my 110% that I help all my fans and viewers and my friends and well-wishers that they can see me on a bigger platform.
Okay, say high five to Anurag Gupta.
High five!
Okay guys, last 5 questions पूछेंगे. जिसको कुछ भी पूछना है पहले तो हिट लाइक बटन, उसके बाद इमीडिएटली कमेंट करो फटाफट, ठीक है? इमीडिएटली. कोई स्प्लिट्सविला का आप कोई एक्ट करके बता सकते हो, लाइक मिया कैसे बात करती है या मार्टिना, मिमिक कर सकते हो किसी का?
मैं नहीं कॉपी कर सकती
किसी को?
क्योंकि मेरे पास इतना टाइम नहीं कि मैं किसी को बैठ के उनको इतना डीपली ऑब्जर्व करूं. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी एंड आई फोकस ऑन माई सेल्फ. आई फोकस ऑन इम्प्रूविंग माई सेल्फ इंस्टेड ऑफ looking and making fun of other people or contestants.
Okay. Guys, फटाफट पोस्ट करो. Again, Samiksha is saying you're so cute and good looking.
Thank you.
Okay, girls को कुछ टिप्स पूछना हो कि क्या मेकअप यूज करें, क्या what tips you want to give to all the girls, like again they're talking about your makeup and all.
So well, girls, important tip is for makeup, if I would say the basic step is first of all understand your face structure, oval face, heart shape face, round face, square jaw, whatever is your face structure. Second, understanding your skin type. अगर आपको अपना face structure and skin type पता है, and please go on YouTube, girls, go on Instagram. There are endless pages dedicated to hair and makeup tutorials. You don't need to spend thousands of money to learn makeup at a workshop. Everything is now online. Online they will mention which brushes they are using to put on maybe any makeup that they're doing. So again, watch those videos and it will take time. You will not be perfect at it. Have patience, but know what looks good in you. I know that okay, I look better in straight hair, so I'm wearing my hair straight 99% times. I know that okay, probably a dark red color wouldn't suit me, so I prefer pinks. So try, experiment with makeup, see what looks good in you, and don't be afraid to try out new trends, and only if you're comfortable, because I feel fashion is dedicated to you, but style is what you make out of it. So do not be a victim of fashion, make your own style.
Okay, who was more deserving, Kavya or Martina?
Both of them have been at it, both of them wanted the throne since the beginning, both of them have been queens, so both of them have actually had similar opportunities and they've been at similar situations. So, well, I can't say who deserved it more because their journeys were individual and separate, and also it was a teamwork, so probably in some tasks, maybe Warren was better than Gurmeet, or maybe Martina individually was better than Kavya. So it's their personal journey, and both of them were equally deserving because both of them were like the best competitors ever.
Okay, Varsha is asking where do you live right now?
I live in Mumbai.
Okay, Priyanka Maiwal, she's asking how was this journey in one word?
It was, let me get a good word for it. It was absolutely, I think unexpected.
Okay.
The way, unexpected in the way that it changed me and the kind of reactions that I've been getting from the audience.
Okay, who was your best friend in the villa among the girls?
Raj Nandini for sure.
Okay. Who is more smart, Karan Khanna or Karan Chawla?
Both of them are, my friends first before anything else. And again, अगर आप smartness की बात करो, everybody has been brought up in a different way. So I don't know, you're smart is in what sense? In terms of dressing or in terms of intellect? Because as much as dressing is important, intellect is equally important to me. Even if a guy is super hot but he cannot talk properly, he cannot understand what I'm saying, and sorry, that's not my thing.
Okay. Vaishali Agarwal, she's saying, ma'am, you are my favorite always.
Thank you.
Varun or Gurmeet, who's the best?
I am not so close to either of them, and both of them are very good. Guys, I cannot compare. I don't know them so well.
Okay. I think we are done almost. So guys, now you directly interact with Sri Radhe.
Hi. Hello everyone. It's so nice to be able to talk to you, give my opinions about everything. Soumya, I don't know what are you commenting? Can you please type it again? Yes, Firdaus, thank you so much for saying Shri is the best. My spelling is SHREE. I'm very particular about that. It's not SRI. Thank you so much, Neham and Chanda, for saying that you love me, and love you too for all the love and support you've been giving to me. Umesh, Pankaj, Firdaus, Pankaj again, a very warm hi and hello to all of you. Yes, Ahana, hi. Pankaj, Mittal, hi. Garima, hey. Okay, my mouth is drying up. Janatun, hi Janatun. And Arham, thank you so much for saying that Splitsvilla was so good because of me. Thank you. Yash, hi Yash. Thank you Umesh for saying that I look pretty. Thank you Firdaus for the endless compliments. Yes Neha, I know you love me. Samisha, hi. Akriti is asking, how did you feel when Gurmeet and Archie denied to perform with you in the last task? Of course I was disheartened, but again I understand their logic, and probably if I would have been in their place, I would have done the same. My favorite couple, Gurmeet and Kavya for sure. Thank you, Bhargavi, for saying that you love me. Hi, Preet Singh. Priyanka, I think both of them, both the shows were very different. Splitsvilla was a reality show. Well, India's Next Top Model belonged to the genre of modeling. I cannot compare. I have learned a lot from both the shows. Thank you, Mishti, for saying that you love me. Thank you, Yash, for saying that I'm adorable. And Ishpreet saying you look adorable in pink. Thank you so much. Okay, guys, it's time to go. I had a lovely time interacting with all of you. And this is the man behind Celebrity Face.
you.
He's put up all of this together.
Tell all your fans to participate, and you will be coming again in Celebrity Face, so they can join you. So tell them.
So guys, please update yourself, equip yourself with knowledge. Like I said, follow Celebrity Face on Instagram. Follow my Instagram and my Facebook. I will definitely post whenever I'm coming again for Celebrity Face shoots.
Tell your fans if they want to get clicked with you, they can participate.
And yeah, of course, the process to the process to participate in Celebrity Face is really easy. All you have to do is direct message them your pictures on Instagram or inbox your pictures on Facebook, and their WhatsApp numbers are also mentioned on their pages on Facebook. You can send your pictures and you will definitely get a call back from them if you are selected. Lots of love.
Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Bye. Take care. Bye, Sumit. Take care, dude. See you soon. See you on 22nd and 16th. Bye, guys. Take care.